Good morning, parents and guardians. Today we want to model for you our Chunky Monkey reading strategy. Let's read this sentence aloud. I always remind students to read with a pencil in hand. That way, whenever they encounter a challenging word, they can circle blends or smaller words within that challenging word and hopefully be able to string those sounds together quickly to amount to that word that's unclear. Let's try this example. He had a challenging word. He had a blank amount of energy. You'll notice over here, I attack this word by circling the ST digraph at the beginning, the small word pen that I recognize inside this large challenging word, and the word us at the end. I then utilize my pencil and strung the sounds together. He had a pen, stupendous amount of energy. Now, the meaning for that word may not immediately be known by your child. They're to utilize their picture clues. Perhaps if they're reading alongside an adult, they can ask a question and figure out what that word might mean. I oftentimes have them utilize the blank strategy, which is to fill in the unknown word with a synonym. He had a blank amount of energy. What would make sense? He had a tremendous amount of energy. Maybe that's what it means. Regardless, they're to read on utilizing that strategy, and a pencil in hand certainly helps with decoding. Thanks for listening.